course, our Viva Communications Inc. President and COO, Boss Vincent Del Rosario, and Chairman and CEO, Boss Vic Del Rosario Jr. At syempre, the moment we've all been waiting for is already here, the man of the hour, a true icon of Philippine cinema, the OG himself, actor superstar, Mr. Robin Padilla, everybody. Yes. At syempre, with everyone here at the table. May special request si boss? Okay. So now, of course, everyone is here at the table. Handa na para gawing opisyal ang partnership between our action superstar, Robin Padilla, and Viva Communications Inc. At syempre, we are ready to sign our contracts, solidifying ang partnership ng RCP Films International at ng Viva Films.
Okay. Signing page. Okay, sorry. Dito lang sa kanya. Dito lang sa kanya.
I'm sure marami po ang excited at nakaabang na sa mga lalabas na proyekto, syempre, ng ating action superstar, the OG Bad Boy, and one of which, Bad Boy 3, is streaming soon. OG Bad Boy po nakalagay sa script, Mr. Robin.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Sa pelikula po, not in real life.
Yeah. Okay yun. Hindi pwedeng maagaw sa akin yun. Alhamdulillah. Boss, thank you, boss.
Thank you sa ating senador.
Original.
Viva Star. Up to now.
Up to now.
Okay. And bago tayo mag-photo, no, ipapanood natin kila boss and kay Mr. Robin Padilla, syempre, ang ating trailer ng mga aabangan nating upcoming films, including, of course, Bad Boy 3. Ladies and gentlemen,